Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Wyre-like APIs for fiat-to-crypto alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To start using a Wyre-like API for fiat-to-crypto alerts, first, choose a suitable API provider. Sign up for an account on the provider's website to access the API documentation. Obtain your API key after successfully registering. Review the API documentation thoroughly to understand its features and functionality. Identify the specific endpoints required for creating subscription alerts. Next, design a method to track fiat currency prices. Implement a script that retrieves real-time data from the relevant fiat currency endpoint. Incorporate a way to convert fiat prices to crypto equivalents using the API. Set conditions for triggering alerts based on price fluctuations. Create a subscription function that allows users to specify their alert criteria. Utilize webhooks for real-time notifications when conditions are met. Develop a user interface if necessary, to manage subscriptions easily. Test the alert functionality to ensure users receive timely notifications. Make adjustments based on your testing results to enhance reliability. Once satisfied with performance, deploy your application for public access. Monitor user feedback and API performance for future optimizations. Ensure regulatory compliance when handling financial data for your users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.